Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Lair Projects and Builds. Super cool that you came by. I do appreciate it. In this one, I'm going to do something a little weird. We always do something weird here. It's what we do. One of my favorite shows on Netflix is Love, Death, and Robots. I really like it. In this particular series, they have some episodes where some robots are learning about humanity. This takes place in the future. I should have said that. And they're like studying what humans were like and everything. And as you kind of watch it, it subtly hints that they start taking on a lot of the traits of the things that they're studying. One particular scene was a robot trying to get warm. Why would a robot traveling through space and everything else need to get warm? I don't know. I thought it was cool. And it has a bunch of other things similar to that. So what I'm going to do in this Lair project is we're going to make a couple of robots out of scrap metal, mostly bolts, nuts, stuff like that. We'll make sure we'll give them joints to give them a mechanical look. Probably pop a little glow powder in that because that always looks cool. And then in the middle, what we'll do is we'll make what looks like a stack of wood that we can put a candle inside of, right, to kind of protect it. But it should give off a nice little glow and all that other stuff along with the glow powder and everything else. Make sure we give them eyes and the whole 9 yards. So, yeah, this is a scrap sculpture project. I think they're called scrap. I don't know. Let's just start making this. Let's go.
Said I'm taking big shots, just stop where I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot. Pissed off, thought I told him this a chip shot. I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking big shots. Just stop where I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot. Pissed off, thought I told him this a chip shot. I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking big shots. They been trying to get me cheap like a thrift shop, but I told them it's my time, shit the wristwatch. They been talking way before they even doing something. Whoa. If they wanna play, let's get a tip off. Ain't no silver lining, dawg, this some rose gold. Getting new money, I'm a old soul. Yeah, I get it bouncing like a pogo. Whoa. And I'm too cold like Frozone. And my chick elastic, girl. Told them we ain't in the faking, this ain't plastic, girl. Bought a new whip and cash, now my tax is thorough. Way I'm shooting like step, but my pass is bro. The way I'm playing the field, I'm in a league of my own. And now they all in their fields, I got them all on my phone. But dog, I'm hitting the climb, I got no time on the low. Way I'm shooting is messy, the way I'm hitting the goals. I'm taking big shots, just stop. Where I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot. Pissed off, thought I told him this a chip shot. I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking big shots. Just stop where I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot. Pissed off, thought I told him this a chip shot. I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking big shots. I just left, but you know I'm coming back though. Whoa. And you know I don't play by my rags though. Now go and turn it up to the max, whoa. Send a paper to me now like a fax, whoa. Yeah. Got 2 phones ringing off the hook now. When I'm in the city, I get looks now. I was going bad, but I'm good now. Said I had to go and put my foot down. Told them I'ma get it and go. Even in the summer, man, they knowing I'm cold. I got a couple checks coming that I made out the flows. Might get a couple more popping if I do it some more. I gotta do it for real. Said I'm back in my bag. All my digits are climbing just like they all on a dash. And they tell me slow down cause dog, I'm moving too fast. Might go and cop me a Tesla cause dog, I still got a gas. Said I'm taking big shots. Just stop where I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot. Pissed off, thought I told him this a chip shot. I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking big shots. Just stop where I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot. Pissed off, thought I told him this a chip shot. I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking big shots. Just stop where I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot. Pissed off, thought I told him this a chip shot. I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking big shots. Just stop where I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot. Pissed off, thought I told him this a chip shot. I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking big shots.
Alright, we got our 2 little guys done. Check this out. Our 2 little robot characters, they're done. We put some glow powder in his joints, just to kind of look like, you know, you see something's different there. We put some blue and we even did something in the little cut. The cut there was actually because my welding's not that great. And that's important to keep in mind. Like, I'm not a master welder by no means. I can do some things, right? But I still wanted to make something. This is a great way to learn how to do that finer type welding. It's just to get in there and do it sometimes. You can watch all the videos and read all the books you want about it, but the truth is you're not going to really feel it until you get into it. And I think this is a good exercise for that kind of thing. Like, look at these little limbs welded onto a bigger bolt, so you got to weld the bigger bolt and then roll your weld into the little tiny pieces. So they're done. That was super fun. So now we need to make our little campsite here. Right, so we got some round stock, and we'll put these at an angle and a circle around it so we can put the candle inside of it. And of course we're going to weld all that to a base plate. And then I got some square stock. We'll just go with that. Square stock, so I can kind of look like they're sitting on little stools. So we're at that point now. And then we go back through and we touch up anything that got messed up. And we even shot it with some paint. It's high resistant paint, or high heat resistant paint. Stuff you put on barbecue grills. We got that spray painted on here. I don't know if I'm going to spray paint the whole thing yet, but if I do, you'll definitely see it in this next part. So let's jump into it. Let's go.
I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, look. I'll shut it down like a trunk getting closed, and they ain't on this level, bro, you really not close. Even in the summer, told them that it's so froze. Not talking about bass when I say I get low. I've been trying to get more, now I'm stacking my accounts. Saw it going stupid, yeah, the numbers in the mouse. Heard them going quiet, so I turn it up loud. And they saying they ain't feel it, but they bout to feel it now. Need another check going extra. And I got a gas, no Tesla. Said I need a meal, no less, bruh. I ain't seen it yet, so I might go request ya. They been taking shots, need your best now. Seen them all talking while they chest out. Too much going, got them stressed now. And they see me winning, told them why you so upset now. I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, look. I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, look. I told them once that I could shut it down. Seen them all flop when I'm riding through the town. When I shoot my shot, told them they ain't over bounds. Like a ball on a court, dog, I told them all bounce. They ain't really see what this about. Say my life a movie, nope, I told them get out. Throwing Jordan pills, now they tripping on the ground. It's at 1, 2, 3, now they out for the count. Yeah, and I need it all, no splits. Told them me and you, dog, we don't really mix. They ain't seeing nothing till they all seeing this. Then they jaw on the floor, this is real as it gets. This going down like the trunk on my car. Don't wanna smoke, bro, I take it too far. Tell me take it easy, now I'm going too hard. It's a high jump now, how I go and raise the bar like I'll shut it down, yeah. 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 I'll shut it down, look. I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, yeah.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap up another Evil Lair Projects and Builds. Just get a better look of it. It works. It works. And it's, again, doesn't have to be perfect. The little eyes glow in the dark. His joints and his eyes and his little scar on his face. All that glows up in the dark, and the actual light from the candle charges that. So when the lights go off, they shine a little brighter in the beginning until it wears off. That's a cool little candlestick there. That's pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed it. Definitely think about giving us a like, subscribe over here, and I'll see you on the next Evil Lair Projects and Builds, where I'm sure we'll build something weird and probably not that well. Alright guys, bye.